10 Surprising Health Benefits of Honey. Honey is a natural ingredient used for its sweetness, energy, and potential health benefits. It is mainly used for human consumption either as pure honey or as an ingredient in other food products, such as desserts, cereals, and juices. There are hundreds of different honey types such as clover, acacia, or manuka, depending on the botanical origin. Today we at our channel, The World of Benefits, reveal the 10 surprising health benefits of honey. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. How is honey made? The journey from bee to bottle begins with flower nectar. Honeybees collect the nectar, and enzymes in bee saliva break down the sugar into glucose and fructose, which is stored in honeycombs to feed the hive over the winter. In the honeycomb, excess water evaporates through constant fanning from the bee's wings. The resulting thick, sticky liquid is what we know as honey. The European Union's largest honey yields are found in Spain, Germany, Romania, and Hungary. However, as successful honey production depends on the honeybee thriving, it is of concern that Europe is seeing a significant decline in bee colonies, 21% in the winter 2016-2017 alone. The importance of bees. Honeybees not only produce honey but undertake an important role as crop pollinators. Given that 84% of the EU's crops depend on pollination, the European Commission developed a strategy for honeybee health. Multiple factors contribute to the decline in bees, one of which may be pesticides, which prompted the European Food Safety Authority (EFSA) to issue guidance on assessing the potential risks of pesticides to bees, and more recently worked towards the development of a database to actively collect information on bee health in Europe. The different types of honey. There are over 300 different types of honey worldwide. They differ in color, aroma, and flavor depending on the plant source where bees collect nectar. Some of the most well-known types of honey are manuka and acacia honey. Honey can be broadly categorized into raw and processed honey. When honey gets extracted from the beehive, it usually gets strained to remove wax and other non-honey particles. It is then available in its raw honey form, which can be further heated and bottled to be available as processed honey, the form which is most commonly available in supermarkets. The heating and bottling process removes potential pathogens, but also the vitamins and antioxidants present in raw honey. The nutritional composition of honey. Season, environmental conditions, processing techniques, and varieties of flower nectar can all influence the composition of honey, but essentially, the main nutritional constituents are carbohydrates, simple sugars, fructose, and glucose. In addition to water, honey contains very small amounts of protein, vitamins, minerals, trace elements, enzymes, and polyphenols, including flavonoids from pollen, which can help identify the honey origin. The compositional criteria for honey are regulated by the European Council Directive 2001/110 EC of the 20th of December 2001, and specifies that the maximum water content of honey must be 20% for it to be an authentic food product. Honey is typically a smooth liquid containing imperceptible tiny crystals. However, factors such as its origin, low storage temperature, longer storage time, and higher glucose content can all lead to crystallization. Larger crystals form and the texture becomes crunchy. The process can be momentarily reversed by gentle heating. Destroying enzymes and removing health beneficial antioxidants. 10 surprising health benefits of honey. 1. Honey prevents cancer and heart disease. Honey contains flavonoids, antioxidants, which help reduce the risk of some cancers and heart disease. 2. Reduce ulcers and other gastrointestinal disorders. Recent research shows that honey treatment may help disorders such as ulcers and bacterial gastroenteritis. This may be related to the third benefit. 3. Antibacterial Antifungal. All honey is antibacterial because the bees add an enzyme that makes hydrogen peroxide, said Peter Molin, director of the Honey Research Unit at the University of Waikato in New Zealand. 4. Increase athletic performance. Ancient Olympic athletes would eat honey and dried figs to enhance their performance. This has now been verified with modern studies, showing that it is superior in maintaining glycogen levels and improving recovery time than other sweeteners. 5. Reduces a cough and throat irritation. It helps with coughs, particularly buckwheat honey. In a study of 105 children, a single dose of buckwheat honey was just as effective as a single dose of dextromethorphan in relieving nocturnal cough and allowing proper sleep. 6. Balance the 5 elements. It has been used in Ayurvedic medicine in India for at least 4,000 years, and is considered to affect all 3 of the body's primitive material imbalances positively. A few of the health benefits of honey are that it is useful in improving eyesight, weight loss, curing impotence and premature ejaculation, urinary tract disorders, bronchial asthma, diarrhea, and nausea. Honey is referred to as yogavahi since it has a quality of penetrating the deepest tissues of the body. When honey is used with other herbal preparations, it enhances the medicinal qualities of those preparations and also helps them to reach the deeper tissues. 7. Blood sugar regulation. Even though it contains simple sugars, it is not the same as white sugar or artificial sweeteners. Its exact combination of fructose and glucose actually helps the body regulate blood sugar levels. Some kinds of honey do have a low hypoglycemic index, so they don't jolt your blood sugar. 8. Heal wounds and burns. Health benefits of honey extend even to external applications. Applied to the skin, honey has been shown to be as effective as conventional treatment with silver sulfadiazine. It is speculated that the drying effect of the simple sugars and honey's antibacterial nature combine to create this effect. Studies have shown it to be very successful in healing wounds. 9. Probiotic. Some varieties possess large amounts of friendly bacteria. This includes up to 6 species of lactobacilli and 4 species of bifidobacteria. This may explain many of the mysterious therapeutic properties of honey. 10. Strengthen the immune system. Manuka honey has been found to stimulate the production of immune cells. According to a study at the School of Medicine, Cardiff University, UK. Manuka is a favorite of mine. Types of honey. Manuka honey strengthens the immune system. The Kiva certified UMF 15 Plus raw Manuka honey 15 Plus is lab certified to UMF 15 Plus standard and is raw. This is a genuine Manuka honey harvested from the remote hills, forest, and coastal areas of New Zealand. Buckwheat is a healthier alternative to cough syrup and good for the immune system. Wildflower, Topanga quality wildflower honey is raw, unfiltered and unpasteurized. Alfalfa, Stockin's unheated and unfiltered raw alfalfa honey, is made in Saskatchewan, Canada from alfalfa blossoms. Black locust has the lowest glycemic index, 32, of all of the kinds of honey. Raw locust honey by the beekeeper's daughter is light, clean, and very aromatic and floral. Blueberry. Orange blossom. Clover, Uncle Henry's honey was voted best tasting by honey lovers and is from the purest wildflower fields of Canada. How much honey a day? There is no recommended daily intake for honey specifically. However, due to its high sugar content, honey should be eaten in moderation. The World Health Organization suggests that free sugars, which means all monosaccharides and disaccharides added to foods by the manufacturers, cooks, or during cooking at home, plus sugars naturally present in honey, syrups and fruit juices, make up no more than 10% of a person's daily energy intake. For an adult requiring 2,000 kilocalories a day, 10% equates to no more than 200 kilocalories from free sugars, which is about 60 grams of honey if honey is used as the unique external source of sugar in one's diet.